And our topic today is on-screen keyboard and calculator. So we will learn the steps to open on-screen keyboards and calculator on the computer. So let's begin. Students, when some of the keys of the keyboard does not function properly, what do you do? I think the first thing that comes to your mind is to replace the keyboard, right? Now, do you know that your computer has an on-screen keyboard options and you can use your mouse to click the keys of these keyboards. So now you can search for the on-screen keyboard using the search options. This is the shortcut to access it. You can also open an on-screen keyboard by following certain steps, okay? So we will learn the steps how to open on-screen keyboard and calculator in two different operating systems. One is Windows operating system, another one is UBUNTU operating system. So students, what is operating system? It is a software program designed to act as an interface between a user and the computer. It controls and coordinates the whole computer systems, okay? So let's see how to open an on-screen keyboard in Windows operating system. If you are using Windows, you will have to follow the steps to open an on-screen. Start menu, select all programs, accessories, ease of access, and on-screen keyboard. Let's see practically. Click on Start button, select all programs. Now click on accessories, ease of access, and then on-screen keyboard. So you will get the on-screen keyboard on the computer, and if you want, you can open an app to type. So you can click by using the mouse. So this is the way how to use on-screen keyboard. Alright, clear? Now let's see how to open on-screen keyboard in UBUNTU operating system. If you're using UBUNTU, you will have to follow the steps. You have to click System Setting, then go to Universal Access Preference, click Typing. Now slide the button of the on-screen keyboard from off to on. So let's see practically. Click on System Setting, go to Universal Access, click Typing, and slide the button of the on-screen keyboard from off to on. You will get the on-screen keyboard. Now you can close this. You can open an app to type whatever you want. So let me maximize it. And you can click by using the mouse, and you can type in this way. Now let's see the steps how to open calculator in Windows and UBUNTU operating systems, okay? For Windows operating system, you have to click Start menu, select all programs, and then accessories and calculator. If you're using Windows, you have to follow the steps. Let's see practically. Start menu, all programs, accessories, and calculator. So you can do addition, subtraction, whatever you want. Now let's see, for UBUNTU operating systems, you have to click Application, accessories, and calculator. Let's see practically. Application, calculator. So you will get the calculator. I hope you are clear. So on-screen keyboard and calculator are two examples of tools that are available on computer. And our topic today is date and time and system monitor task manager. So student, in the last class we have learned about on-screen keyboard and calculator tools. Today we will learn how to adjust date and time, and how to open System Monitor Task Manager, and how to close application in System Monitor and Task Managers in UBUNTU and Windows operating system. So let's begin. Let us see the steps to adjust time and date for UBUNTU operating system users. So step 1, to adjust the time and date, click the clock located in the menu bar, okay? And you have to select time and date settings. In step 2, you have to change the system time zone by clicking on the map. As you can see on the pictures, you can click the map or entering your locality, or choose a city close to the place you are living in into the location box. As you can see the location box, you can choose a city close to the place you are living in. You can type there. Step 3, Ubuntu maintains the clock on its own. Alternatively, you can select the manually options of the set the time and adjust the time by clicking on the minus or plus sign. Now let's see how to do it practically. So, to adjust the time and date, click the clock located in the menu bar and select time and date setting. So click on the time and date. Now select the options time and date settings. So a window appears. You can unlock the change the setting options password. You can apply the password, and as you can see, you can change the set times manually, or you can make it as automatically from the internet. You can click on the map and locations. Now there is one more tab, which is clock. You can change the time and date format from there. Okay, so you can make it 12-hour time. If you want 24-hour time format, you can click on the options. You can make it seconds, or if you want your time and date in that month format, you can select that. Okay, so I hope you're clear. Now let's see. Let us see the steps to adjust time and date for Windows operating system users. So step 1, click the date and time appearing on the right bottom corner of the monitor. So in the taskbar, you will find this. You have to click on the time and date, and then you can click change date and time setting. Step 2, select your locality or choose a city close to the place you are living in and country. And step 3, you have to click OK. Now alternatively, you can directly select the option of change date and time and manually change the time and click OK. Alright, let's see practically. So in step 1, you have to click the date and time appearing on the right button corner of the monitor. So click there, select change date and time setting. Okay, click there. Now you'll get a window. Now in step 2, you have to select your locality or choose a city close to the place you are living in and country. For that, you have to click on the change time zone button. Okay. Now from there, you can choose a city close to the place you are living in and country from the drop-down list, right? And then click OK. Or you can directly select the options of date and time, change date and time button. Okay, click there. And you can directly change the date from here. Okay. And you can change the time, right? There is a up down arrow key. You can use that for PM, AM. If you want to change the number, double click and press from the keyboard and click OK. So this is how we change date and time in Windows operating system. I hope you are clear. Now another interesting tool is System Monitor in Ubuntu or Task Manager in Windows operating systems, right? This tool shows the number of applications running on your computer. If an application does not respond to your command, Task Manager shows the reasons for it and allows you to close it. We can also open it with the help of the search box like we open the on-screen keyboard. You can also open the System Monitor window by pressing the shortcut key Ctrl+L Delete in Ubuntu operating system. In Windows, to open the Task Manager window, you have to press Ctrl+Shift Escape and then select Start Task Managers. This is the shortcut. Now when the windows will open, you click the kill process in Ubuntu and end tasks in Windows operating systems, and then we can close the program. In that way we can close the programs. Alright. Now let us see the steps how to open System Monitor and close program in System Monitor for Ubuntu operating systems users. So the first step is you have to click on Dash, select System Monitor. Third step, right click the name of the application you want to close And the last step is select kill process from the drop down menu. So let's see how to do it practically. So click on dash, select system monitor. Now you can see there are lots of programs running. Right click the name of the application you want to close. Alright, and as you can see there are lots of options. You have to click on the kill process from this. Now let us see the steps how to open Task Manager and close the program in Task Manager for Windows operating system users. So for Windows users, the first step is right click the taskbar, select Taskbar Manager. Third, select the name of the application you want to close, and last, click End Task. So let's do this practically. So the first step is right click the taskbar. So this is the taskbar. Right click, select Start Task Manager. You will get this window. Now as you can see, there is 3 programs running. Select the name of the application you want to close. Okay, right, select that and click the options, click End Task. So this is how we close the applications. Okay, I hope you all understood.